Hey there, is your Roku TV showing the dreaded HDMI No Signal message? Don't worry. In this guide, we're going to dive into how to fix HDMI No Signal on Roku TV with some easy to follow steps to get you back to enjoying your favorite shows in no time. Step 1. Check the HDMI cable and ports. First things first, let's tackle the basics. Ensure your HDMI cable is securely connected to both your Roku TV and your external device, such as a gaming console, Blu-ray player, or streaming device. Sometimes a loose cable can be the simple culprit behind the HDMI No Signal error. It's also a good idea to try a different HDMI port on your TV. Swap the cable into another port and check if the signal returns. Step 2. Test with a different HDMI cable. If replugging doesn't work, your HDMI cable might be faulty. Replace the current cable with another one if you have a spare. A damaged cable can lead to connectivity issues, resulting in no signal. If the new cable resolves the issue, it's time to toss the old one. Step 3. Select the correct input source. It's surprisingly easy to pick the wrong input source, and this simple oversight might lead to the no signal message. Using your Roku remote, press the home button, navigate to settings, and ensure the correct HDMI input is selected for your device. Double-checking the input can often resolve the issue instantly. Step 4. Restart both devices. Sometimes a simple restart can fix various errors. Begin by turning off your Roku TV and the connected device. Unplug them from the power source for about 30 seconds. Reconnect and power them on. This process can refresh the connection and may resolve the no signal issue. Step 5. Update Roku TV software. An outdated software version can sometimes cause compatibility issues leading to no signal errors. To update your Roku TV, press the home button on your remote, go to Settings, select System, and click on System Update. Make sure your TV is connected to the internet and proceed with any available updates. Once installed, check if the HDMI connection works. Step 6. Reset display settings. If you're still facing issues, resetting the display settings on your Roku TV might help. Using your Roku remote, press the home button and go to Settings. Navigate to System and then Advanced System Settings. Select Reset TV Audio Video Settings to bring your settings back to default, which can sometimes fix the no signal problem. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the HDMI no signal on your Roku TV seamlessly, restoring your viewing experience. Whether it's checking cables, updating software, or adjusting settings, these solutions cover a comprehensive range of potential fixes. If the issue persists, don't hesitate to call Roku support or check your device manufacturer's troubleshooting tips. Remember, a little patience and systematic troubleshooting can go a long way in resolving the most frustrating tech glitches. Happy viewing.